There are lots of elements to consider when trip planning, and that's where we step in. To tell you briefly about how we work, we simply start with a conversation. I first listen to travelers. We discuss your ideal vacation, your priorities in travel, and your preferred activities and budget. Next, I'll match you to one of our local partners who operates your chosen trip on the ground. After years of working in the region, we've handpicked local operators who we believe to run the best programs in the region and who continuously receive good feedback from our travelers. Finally, once you're comfortable with your trip plan, I'll introduce you to our local partner. We find it's best that you can stay connected to them directly, since they'll be making all the ground arrangements for your trip. They'll request that you fill out their booking forms, and then they'll send you payment instructions. Depending on the partner, they'll accept a 20 to 30% deposit or payment in full if it's less than 30 days until your start date to secure your spaces. The sooner you complete these steps, the sooner everything is confirmed. I'll still be a part of this conversation even after this introduction, so I'm around if you need any additional advice. I'm happy to pass on recommendations about hotels, restaurants, or anything else you might need for your trip to Patagonia.